Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to add Nvidia broadcasts to your OBS. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I'd appreciate it. And the next thing you're going to go ahead and do is head over to the Nvidia Broadcast Download Center. I'll put a link down below for you guys. And then after that, choose the version of the Nvidia series that you have. Me, I had the 30 series, so I went ahead and downloaded this. And then from there, just open up your downloads, go ahead and click it, and then just go ahead and head through the downloading procedure. I already have it. It's super simple. You just press yes and it just takes you through all the steps, and I already have it downloaded. You guys have done this a million times. And then from there, all you're going to want to go ahead and do is hop into a new OBS tab. After you download it, you are going to want to reopen OBS, and then go ahead and click on these three dots on the audio or microphone that you want to use noise cancellation with. Head over into your filters, add a noise suppression filter, and then as you see, the NVIDIA broadcast filters will now be added to your OBS. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and put them down below. But other than that, have a wonderful day.